and then this is Banky, and this is Banky update. So right now, guys, in this video I am going to teach you how you can earn easy money. As I earn this one here, as you can see, I have 10,000 here already now. So I am going to show you how I am able to earn up to this money easily on this platform called Fbwingo. So just pay attention to it, to me, and keep watching. I'm going to show you how to get this money. Firstly, how to start making up to 10,000 naira in a day, or 1k, 2k, 3k, 4k. You'll be able to make it in a day. So just watch attentively. I'm going to be showing you how to get it now. So the first thing to do is to register on this platform. To register, check the description of this video. Just click on the description, you will see the registration link there. So after you click on the registration link, it will take you to this page like this. So this is how it will be. So you will see an invitation code here. Just leave it like that. You will see the invitation code here. Leave it like that. So input your phone number here. Select your country. Select your country in here. You can select, okay, this is Nigeria. So input your phone number here. Then input your password here. Password here. Then click on this, then click on register. After you register, the next thing to do is to log in. It will automatically log in. So after you register, log in. So after you register, this is what it will first show to you. Welcome to FB999, Nigeria's most trusted online gaming platform. So something like that. So after you read it, and there are some other things I want you to see. Maybe it will pop up. Let's see, maybe it will pop up. Okay, this is it pop up. So this is it here. For example, just for your first deposit, if for example, if you make your first deposit of 1,000 naira, they will give you 280. But if you make a first deposit of 1,000 naira and you receive your 280, and you later deposit 10,000 naira to receive 1,180, 1880, don't expect this, because that is not your first deposit again. But if you make your first deposit, anyone you deposit with either 1,000 naira, you will receive 280. If you deposit 10,000, if you deposit 2,000, you will receive 480. If you deposit 5,000, you will receive 1,080 naira. If you deposit 10,000, you will receive 1,880. If you deposit 50,000, you will receive 4,880 as a bonus. So just as a bonus, if you deposit 1.2 million, you are going to receive 88,880 as a bonus. That is it. That is one of the things they use to help people here. So after that, the next thing to do is how I started earning this money here, this 10,000 naira. So this is how it goes. This is how it goes. For example, you click here, click on home page. Let me show you everything. You will see that there are a lot of games here. Like, yes, there are a lot of games here which you can actually use. You can see there are a lot of games here. Sport, cause you can see all of them. There are a lot of games, different lot of games. But one thing is that in this video I just want you to play the company games, the one they are predicted, because in this video, if you check the description of this video, also you will see a link to their Telegram channel where they drop a game signal, where they drop signal for game. So all you need to do is to just play the company signal game. Check the description of this video. You will see a link to the company signal game. So this is the game. So let me show you the signal group. so that we will start our game. So they just dropped this game again. uh this is for 5 minutes. It's coming up in 5 minutes. So Wingo, the game is Wingo, so you can see everything here. So that is everything. So this is how we are going to play it. Wingo, we are going to search for Wingo, and this is the number we are playing on. Select big, stage 3. So those are the three target things we want to select. You can see that the time is I think you check the time, is almost done already. So let me, maybe I should refresh this, or I should just wait for another 5 minutes again. So but let me show you the Wingo now. So we click on Wingo. This is Wingo. You can see the Wingo here. You can see the Wingo here. If you want to get the Wingo, you click here, because you will see it only under here. That is the only place you are going to see the Wingo, under here. Sorry, I'm looking for good under here. So you click on that lottery. So from there you are going to see the Wingo. The Wingo will appear here. So the next thing to do is to click on Wingo. Click on it. So when you click on it, this is how it work. This is how it work. So let's check the this thing again, the game again, because I believe by now they have already dropped another games. So this is it. You can see every five minutes they drop games. Every five minutes. You can see, you can check the time, you can look at the time up here. You can see that this is 8:29. So after in 8:30 now, or 8:31, they will are going to drop another game. So that is how it work here on their channel here. So what we need to do is, after they drop the game, all you need to do is to just copy, get the game and play it. Let me show you. You can see they have dropped another games now. They have dropped another game now. So this is what we are going to do. So the game said win go 5 minutes. Let's see. Yes, win go 5 minutes. So you're going to select 5 minutes up here. Select the 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes, you go to the group again and check. So you are going to select big. This is big here. Big. Select big. Then use the one you want to, how many amount you want to play with. Let me play with 1000. So the amount you want to play with, you select the amount, that is 1000. So again, the next thing to do is to check. You have to do all this before 5 minutes, and I think that is not too hard to do. In less than 30 seconds you have already done it, finish. So the next is after plenty of playing, so you can see I have double my money to like 12,260 here now, as you can see, after some playing. One thing about this platform is that there is no way you will play without winning. Right now they have dropped another signal again. So there is no way you are going to play it without winning. Also, you will lose. You are going to lose sometimes, but the percentage of winning is more higher than the losing if you are playing the company games. For example, the probability of winning when you are playing the company game is about 89% or 90% against the losing. So losing part of it, I can say it's just 17% or 20%. So that is how it works. So if you are interested in this platform, if you are interested, let me show it to you again in case you want to know how to play it again. Let me show it to you again. So for example, after you come to this thing here, this is what you are going to look through: the 5 minute window, and you will also look at the period. Maybe it's tally with what you want to play, and this is what you are going to select: big and 5 minutes. That is all. So let me show it to you again. So right now you will select 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you can see 238. That is the code, the time period. You can see it's 238. Then the next thing is to select either small or big. The game said we should select big, so we select big. So let me say I want to play with just 100 naira, so that is it. Total amount, just click on total amount. That is all. I have made the bet now, so that is how to play it. If you see here, you will see that they have deduct the 100 naira from my balance. So that is how to play it. And in less than 1 minute now, it remain 1 minute for the game to come out. You can see it, less than 2 minutes, as you can see, less than. So the game will soon end now, and I'm going to win or lose. But most of the game they drop on the group, you will win it. So before we do go with that, if you're interested on this platform, let's go to how to deposit. Now click on deposit. Let's see how to deposit. So there are a lot of you can deposit using your bank, or you can deposit using USDT. If you want to deposit using USDT, the minimum here is 15k, 15,000. That is the minimum you can deposit with USDT. So for example, after you click on 15k, it will select, then click on deposit. You can read the recharge instruction here, you can read it here. So click on deposit. So after you click on deposit, it will direct you to a page where you're going to see the address you have to make the payment to. So this is it. Automatically your money will appear. You can see on this platform their rate is 1,022. So this is the amount you have to send, transfer in 12.26 USDT. This is your wallet address. Copy it and send the money to it. The minimum you can deposit is actually $10. You can see it here, $10. So that is it. Immediately you make the payment, it will appear on your account. So that is all. Immediately it will show on your wallet. For example, let's say you want to deposit using bank. Click on online bank. So after you click on online bank, you select your channel, anyone you want to use, any method you want to use to deposit. You select it. For example, let's say you want to deposit 1k, you select 1k, 2k. You can see they have dropped another game. That means that one has ended. So 5k, 20k, 50k, 100k, 500k, depending on the amount you want to deposit. So for example, let's say I want to deposit 20k now. I click on 20k, then I will click on deposit. So right now it will direct me to a page where I'm going to see the account number I'm going to make the payment to. This account number is automatic also. So all you need to do is to click on acquire account. Click on acquire account to see the account you have to make the payments to. The amount you have to pay, as you can see, so it has refreshed. So this is the account you have to make the payment to. GTB, this is the account name. Wango Solution, this is the amount you have to make to send. If you are send, depending on the amount you want to send, and you must make the payment within 45 minutes. So I believe to transfer money from bank to some other, to transfer money is less than 3 minutes or 5 minutes. So after you make the payment, it will, after you make the payment, that is all. You can just come here and click on refresh. After you make the payment will automatically show on your wallet. So that is how to make the payment. So for example, now let's say I want to withdraw. Click on withdraw. Let's click on withdraw. You will click on withdraw. So let's say you want to withdraw to your USDT or to bank. Click on USDT. If you want to withdraw to USDT, if you want to withdraw to bank, click on bank. Now for example, I want to withdraw to bank card, because let me just use bank. But if you want to use USDT, all you need to do is to just click on USDT to, then address. Need to add beneficiary information before you can withdraw. So let's use bank card to withdraw first. So after that, you click on add bank account here. You click on it. So when you click on it, this is where you are going to select your bank, everything, and select put in everything here. So you select your bank here. Click on select bank. The bank you want to make the money into, select it. Let me select PalmPay. So you input your amount, your name, bank account, your phone number, and the branch. You might not put anything here. This one does not mean anything. The branch does not mean anything. Then you click on save. That's all. So I've add my PalmPay account to it. The next thing you can, if you want to add your USDT, you click on it, then click on add address, then paste your USDT wallet address here, USDT TRC20 wallet address. Please enter a remark of the withdrawal address. You can just click alias USDT TRC20. So you can just write anything there. So then you click on save to save your address for the USDT. Now to make the withdrawal, this is what you're going to do. After you have already make everything, so you will enter. Let me withdraw 11k. Okay, let me withdraw 11,000 naira. Now I want to withdraw 11,000 naira. Single withdrawal amount range from 15k. Balance. Okay, I select USDT. Let me select bank. Single withdrawal from USDT is 15k. So from here, this one is 1k. So I want to withdraw 11,000 naira. So as you can see, now click on withdraw. Now enter your login password and click on confirm withdrawal. That is all. So as you can see, withdrawal request successful. We will complete the withdrawal within 2 hours. Please wait patiently. So that is it. Within 2 hours, they were going to credit your account. So that is all. That is all. That is how to make your withdrawal also on this platform. So just click on confirm. So that is it. That is it. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. The platform is paying massively. Try them out. They are paying massively. If you want to register, check the description of this video to register. Thank you. Goodbye for now.